33వ కెనడియన్ విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలు మరియు కళాశాలల అడ్మిషన్ల ఫెయిర్ మరియు వర్క్షాప్ భారీ విజయాన్ని సాధించింది. కెనెమ్ 33వ కెనడియన్ విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలు మరియు కళాశాలల అడ్మిషన్ల ఫెయిర్ మరియు వర్క్షాప్ను ప్రదర్శించింది. ఇది కెనడియన్ అగ్రశ్రేణి విశ్వవిద్యాలయాలు మరియు కళాశాలల అధికారిక భాగస్వామ్యాన్ని కలిగి ఉన్న ఆతృతగా ఎదురుచూస్తున్న కార్యక్రమం. 2024 ఏప్రిల్ 9 నుండి 19 వరకు షెడ్యూల్ చేయబడిన ఈ ఫెయిర్ భారతదేశంలోని 18 ప్రదేశాలలో విస్తరించి ఉంటుంది. ఏప్రిల్ 9న అమృత్సర్లో ప్రారంభమైన ఈ వర్క్షాప్ మొహాలీ, బర్నాలా, ముంబై, జలంధర్, ఖన్నా, లుధియానా, మెగా, నవాన్ షహార్, చండీగఢ్, బటిండా, అహ్మదాబాద్, కోల్కతా, న్యూఢిల్లీ, హైదరాబాద్, చెన్నై మరియు కొచ్చి మీదుగా సాగి 19న బెంగళూరులో ముగుస్తుంది.
So what schools do you suggest, ma'am, as your student?
Either you will but I think I want right now to go to experience do something which is every there are
Today we are here with Ganga ma'am, Senior Vice President at Canam Study Abroad Consultancy. So good afternoon ma'am.
Good afternoon.
So was great seeing you speaking in front of all the students and giving a message to everyone. So ma'am, can you give a short note about what is happening today here?
Okay, today we are here at the 33rd Canadian Universities and Colleges Admissions Workshop. The students are here getting complete updates on what the Canadian government has been talking about as far as international students are concerned. And after that, these students are going to be meeting up with all the universities and colleges representatives who will give them advice on admissions. And then we have an admissions workshop wherein students can apply for admission for the programs.
Okay. So ma'am, did all the universities from Canada representative came here on just for this event?
Yes, that's absolutely right. We've been working with universities and colleges directly. We've got agreements with them for so many years now. Canam has been in this education sector, specializing in Canadian education for the past 28 years now. So we've got lots of agreements with all these universities, public institutions across Canada. They've been working with us for almost 30 years now. So they, yes, support us in all our activities and our students.
So ma'am, like in recent times, everyone like is willing to go for abroad studies, and students are struggling with their agents and all for their visas, for everything. So as you said, all the colleges from Canada came here. So are they giving spot offer letters today?
No, there are no spot offers available, but spot decisions are there. Like they will be able to advise you whether you should apply or not apply, for which program you should apply, what kind of programs you would qualify for, and what scholarships are available. And in fact, they're also giving application fee waivers in many of the cases. So you can actually get a lot of benefits today.
Sure. Thank you so much ma'am. It was great speaking to you.
Thank you.